Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we're going to show you how to pay Temu using PayPal. Now, if you have a PayPal account and that's what you want to use as your payment method as you shop on Temu, it's very, very easy. So choose whatever you want. So let's, for example, choose this. I don't know what this item is. And then just choose it, whatever. Click add to cart, of course. Choose silvery, add to cart. There you go. And then go to cart. And here what you want to do is go to checkout. Of course, on checkout, again, there are ads. On checkout, what you're going to see when it comes to payment methods, you have GCash, you have your debit/credit cards, you have cash on delivery, and you have, as you can see, your PayPal. So all you need to do is tap on that and click submit order, and you're good to go. That is how you use PayPal. It's by default available as a payment method. Video, hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.